Hey, it's Dr. Lisa here. So grateful to be here with you today. And in today's video, I want to share with you 5 strategic locations to put your links in your Facebook profile to get more leads for your business and to build your email list leveraging your Facebook asset. So what we want to focus on, and I want you to understand this, is that your Facebook followers are not your leads. Okay, Facebook can shut down your account at any time. They're constantly changing their terms of service. So what might be good today may not be good tomorrow. I mean, they shut down the account of the President of the United States. So what you need to be focusing on is getting your followers, your friends from Facebook onto an email list. And the way that you're going to do that is you want to have a generic lead capture page where you're offering a lead magnet. And a lead magnet is something of value. And right now what people really want is something short and easy to consume, usually a PDF of 10 pages or less that focuses on a specific problem that you can help them solve. Now I'm going to show you some examples of some lead capture pages so you get an idea of how you can use these on Facebook before I show you where to put them. So here are some examples of some generic lead capture pages in some of the most popular industries for home business owners. CBD oil. This is an example of a lead capture page where they can download a PDF talking about the benefits of CBD. Okay, this is a way that you can show your knowledge and authority without pitching your products, service, or business opportunity. Skincare secrets. If you have, you're in the skincare industry, this is another way that you can build your list to help people improve their skin. Weight loss. 10 ways to lose weight without dieting and keep it off. Really, this is another great example. If you're into the financials, how to boost your credit score, 5 simple steps to improve it by 100 to 200 points fast. We have another one here for essential oils. Cryptocurrency, okay? This is a way, crypto's a really hot industry right now, and a lot of people don't know what this is about. So this is a really good introduction to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. 5 best ways to make money from home. All right, if you're looking to give away something as far as marketing strategies, here's one about how to use social stories to really get yourself more leads and customers. So these are examples of lead capture pages you want to put on your Facebook profile. You don't want to be putting them to anything company replicated. And the reason for that is that if people notice that you are putting anything related to your product, service, or business opportunity that's company replicated, they're going to think you're going to pitch them. Okay? You want to be showing those links to interested prospects. Okay? You don't want to put that out there right off the bat. So with that said, let's talk about the strategic places to put these lead capture pages. The first place to put it would be right up here in your timeline cover photo. And the big mistake people make is when, don't put it on the photo itself. You want to have on your timeline cover photo a picture of you depicting the lifestyle, all right, of what you're going to be offering that lead magnet for. So an example of this, like if you are someone who is into weight loss and health, you might have a picture of you working out at the gym. If you are someone who is into, helping home business owners or making money online, you might want to have a picture of you working from your computer, smiling. You might want to have a picture, if you're into the travel industry, having a picture of you with your family on a trip you just took. Now, what you want to do is every time you you upload your timeline cover photo, it shows up on the newsfeed. So you want to make sure. I have to update my photo here, but and my captioning info. I'm going to be doing a whole new upgrade here really shortly. But what you want to do is you want to put a caption talking about your story and then giving a call to action to put a link for your lead capture page. So there are two ways to do this on this page or on your photo here. You can either do it, one, putting the link right in the capture page, or you can put it into the comments section. I would strongly suggest put it in the comments section, because a lot of times Facebook doesn't like it if you have it in the caption itself, if you have a link that takes them outside of the platform. So a good way to put that is you can kind of tell a little bit about a story and then say, if you would like my tips, I have a great resource for you, a PDF that can give you more tips and strategies. If you would like it, the link is in the comments section. Or you can say, have people reach out to you, and you can also give them the link. So put the link in the comments section. That is one good way to getting people to like your, to get more people reaching out to you. Now, the second place, again, can be in your profile picture, okay? When you click on your profile picture, anytime you update your profile picture, it shows up in the newsfeed. So again, follow the same procedure that I said here with your timeline cover photo. Another great place is the intro here, okay? So what you see here, you only have 100 characters. You only have 100 characters to do this, so you want to keep it short and sweet. So for me, I'm saying download the free PDF, How to Get Daily Leads from Facebook Profile. And then I have the link. So if they click on this link, it's going to take them to, so if I click on this, it's going to show them here in just a second. It will come up here real quick. Right here. Okay, so as you can see, it gives them the PDF cheat sheet that they can get access to. So that is the third place that you can get. You can strategically put your links so that people, when they're following you, they can get on your list right away. The next place is down here a little bit more with the bio, and you can have a place to put your links. What I like to do here is not just put one link to a lead capture page. I like to do is what's called Linktree, where you can put a whole series of different tips and resources. So I'll show you my Linktree here. This is my Linktree, and I have different resources. If people click on these, it takes them to different lead capture pages if they want different training on things. So I like using that in this intro section. You can also have links as well to other social media accounts, so you can put those there as well. The final place that you can put links, or strategically put links where people can see them, is in the featured. This used to be featured photos, now it's called featured story collection. And where you can't, right now with Facebook, you can't, I believe you can't swipe up like you can on Instagram stories to, if you have a link there. But this is how I get my links to people. So if you look here under these Facebook story photos, okay, featured photos, I have my Best Biz tools. So if I click on that, I put my URL, okay, the web address, right here, and you can see I have all these different tools, so people can come here and they can just type in the list. All right, and up here, if they want to pause it, they can pause, and then they can sit there and they can type that in, and they can get access to my different trainings. So as you can see here, I have a whole wide variety of different trainings for them that can help them get more leads for their business. So there you have it. Those are the 5 places that you can strategically put links so that people are reaching out to you. You're not going to be you'll be still in Facebook's good graces, so you're not going to wind up in Facebook jail. Now, it's really important. I cannot stress this enough. These links should be to lead capture pages where you are offering something of value, usually a PDF report, something that's easy to consume, that will help people solve a problem that they have. So if you got value today, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification button so you know when I upload another video. Now, if you want more tips and strategies on how to build an online business working part-time, again, head over to my website at drlisamthompson.com/links, drlisamthompson.com/links, and I have a whole bunch of free trainings that can help you build your business working part-time. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.